we'll guide you through how to fix Instagram broadcast channel option not showing. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to the list of apps on your phone and look for the search function that helps you find installed applications more quickly. Tap the search bar and type Instagram into the field. When the app appears in the results, press on Instagram to open it. Once the application is open, locate the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it to access your profile page. Next, find the three-line menu icon at the top of the screen and press on it to open additional settings and options. Scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled Account Type and Tools. Press on this option to continue. On the next screen, choose the option to switch to a professional account. Before moving forward, complete the initial setup process that Instagram requires for professional accounts. When asked to select an account category, choose the Creator Account option. After selecting Creator, continue through the remaining setup steps and finish everything that Instagram requests. Once the setup is fully complete, return to your profile and press the three-line menu icon again. Look for the Account Type and Tools section once more and press on it to open the available professional features. In the area called Get Access to More Tools, you will see a broadcast channel option listed among the available tools. However, it is important to note that this feature is not immediately available to every creator account. You can only access the broadcast channel option after your account reaches 1,000 followers. If your account has fewer than 1,000 followers, the option may still be visible, but you will not be able to use it yet. Continue growing your audience and increasing your follower count, and once you reach the required milestone, the broadcast channel feature should become accessible through the Professional Account Tools section within Instagram.